I'm Joanne Conley. I was born and raised in California. I moved to St. Louis in 2000 and continued my career in kitchen and bath design because I really love the fulfillment that I get from my customers when they tell me how easy of a project it was. Being a mother of 5 kids, I really understand the importance of organization, designing spaces, and wanting to complete a project and make your home wonderful, inviting to your guests and your friends. What I love the most about being a kitchen and bath designer is working with clients. I'm able to create wonderful sanctuaries for them, and I get to make everyone different. When a customer first walks in the door, the most important thing to me is to listen. A lot of customers come in and they don't really know where to begin. They're overwhelmed and they're like, oh my gosh, I don't know what to start. I've never done this project. And I just reassure them, this is the easiest process to do. Right now you're kind of stressed out and overwhelmed because there's so much to think about, but trust me, by the end of the day, you're gonna walk out and say, Joanne, you've made this so easy.